This is one of the most beautiful destination of Oman. And the good thing about this destination is it's just 15 minutes from Muscat. It's Wadi Fanja. New at my channel and want to explore the beauty of Oman, please do subscribe and click the bell icon. I will show you the secret locations of Oman.